Yeah, when it was in, I think it was in Form 2, just more or less like, let's say Primary 2 in Nigeria, yeah, he was still a kid. So there was a time that teacher was in the classroom teaching them as the normal way in which we teach our students as well. And someone just came in and said, "Oh, Mr. So so so, no, the name of the teacher, the head teacher would like to see you right now." So the teacher had to answer the call of the head teacher. As the teacher was about leaving the classroom, he felt that if I should not leave, I should leave the classroom right now. Majority of the students will just be making noise, disturbing the class. Then he decided to engage the students by keeping them busy. And this is what he did. Yeah, this is what he did. He asked the student to add from 1 to 100, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, like that, up to 100. And he believes that by the time he returns, the majority of the students will still be busy doing the addition. And he decided to keep them busy using that techniques. So as the teacher was about gathering his books, his textbooks, ready to see the headmaster, God stood up and he said, "Sir, I'm through with the addition." To the teacher biggest surprise, it was like, how will you be through with the addition? Something I believe that's going to take you, let's say, an hour or so or more for you to do. Now, how will you tell me you are through with adding 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to plus 100? That's too fast. And God said, "But sir, I said I'm through." The man just left and told God to sit down and do what he asked him to do. By the time the teacher left the classroom, Gus was just jumping from one table to another table, playing, laughing, disturbing the class. And when the teacher returned, he met Gus just playing. The teacher was so furious, asking Gus, "Why would you be playing? You didn't do what I asked you to do." Funnily, Gus showed the teacher what he has done. And to the teacher biggest surprise, what God did was perfectly right. You know, I'm very sure most of you, many of you would want me to show you what God did. Yeah, and I'm going to show you right now. So, and then let me just finish the story before telling you what God did. And this is what brought about the introduction of sequence and series. The teacher was so marveled about on what God did, and he decided to show God to the head teacher. The head teacher too was so impressed with what God did, and from then they started developing the boy, knowing that he's exceptionally good. And today is one of the foremost professor in the area of mathematics, in the area of physics, and some other areas as well, in programming as well. And what God did was this. I don't know if I can just show you using my paper here. Yes, I'm just going to just give me a minute, please. Okay. So, and yeah, this is what God did. God believes that we have from 1 to 100 addition of 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to plus 100. Okay, this is what, I'm writing 1,000 here. Sorry, I mean 100. So this is what God wanted to add. And God was like, instead of wasting my time, okay, what if I have 1 up to 50, which is half of 100, right? And containing from these, we have 51 up to, if you look at 50 plus 51, this gives what? 101. And God was like, let's multiply these two together. Here we are 101 times 50, okay? We have 0 times this, 0, 0, 0, okay? 5 times this, we have 5, 0, 5. And then we have what? 0, 5, 0, 5. And to your biggest surprise, even if calculator is being used, you're still going to get this. So that's what God did. And that is the major story of a mathematician in which we'll be telling ourselves today. I believe this inspires at least one of us. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day till we meet next time.